Hi, I'm Mutenshi. The topic I choose is shaping and steering free space emission with on-chip meta surfaces and optical phased array, taught by Professor 张佑嘉 from 国立阳明交通大学. Um, uh, this talk have two main parts. The first part is integrated meta surface on the silicon photonics for emission shaping and holographic projection. The second part is chip-scale microscopy based on an optical phased array. So let's introduce the integrated photonics. The speakers he want to turn the LiDAR system or the microscopy system of these two big size system, then turn them into a chip size, like the photonic chip. And what's the advantage about it? The advantage about the integrated photonics are like the system miniaturizations and the mass production, also the scalability and the robustness. So the first part is about the silicon meta surface platform. The left figure told about how they made this device. They use the e-beam lithography and silicon oxide evaporation and the deposition to make the meta surface. So you can look at there are many meta silicon atoms on the silicon oxide substrate, and this device is monolithic and CMOS compatible, and the design of the and this design can use the simultaneous phase and amplitude control to adjust to pattern the light. You can see the right figure with the different size, different distance of the meta silicon atoms, or the highest or the size. He can pattern a different light and get a different light emission. And the second part is about the chip size microscopy. The idea is about, you can see the left figure. They input a laser, and through the optical phase array can generate a focusing light on the subject, and also can receive the light reflect from the subject and or object. And final, through the detector, he can get what's the object. So so he can see the bottom figure is about the optical phase array diagram. And nowadays he can until now he can get the light figure. You can see in the right hand side. Those blue figure is the light he gets. So he can create a focusing light and receive the light, just like a simple microscopy, very simple microscopy. So the conclusion is they made the silicon photonics platform, and this device is monolithic and CMOS compatible. Also is simultaneous amplitude and phase control. And second, the optical phase array can create the focusing light and receiving the light, just like a simple microscopy. So here is the conclusion. Thank you.